Welcome. In front of me is a Yoga Smart Tab from Lenovo, and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this device. Now, to get started, all you need to do is swipe down from the top of your screen like so, and do so once more to extend the list of toggles. And one of those toggles should be a power saving mode. Now here it's actually called battery saver, which you can see right over here. So once you see it, simply tap on it. It gives us a pop-up, so turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns off or restricts background activity, some visual effects, and other high-powered features to extend battery life. And I select turn on. As you can see, it enables the dark mode. So there we go, that's our power saving mode. Now, with that being said, there is probably one thing very important happening in the background, which wasn't necessarily explained there, which is there was some mention of like restricting things. What might happen, though I'm just guessing because as you've seen the message, it never stated it, is the device might turn off your Wi-Fi mobile data, depending if you're using the device or not. So it might have a countdown of an activity, turns it off, and because of it you won't be receiving any notifications that would be requiring internet connection. So if you experience such a thing where your notifications are delayed or just not delivered when you're not using your device, just know that this is the battery saver trying to preserve battery. And obviously once you turn it off, the device would go back to functioning normally as it did before. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.